For some of us, it showed up as a teacher, as a friend, as a mentor. And in this moment, we call forth that divine love. That divine love that shows up in us. And we connect with that love. And so as we sit in this place of connection, we allow that love to flow through us. First and foremost, as a blessing for ourselves. Knowing in this moment that we love ourselves exactly the way we are. Knowing that that great divine love shines forth in us, no matter what. And so we take this opportunity to simply love ourselves first in this moment. And resting in and connecting with that love, we now shift our focus ever so slightly as we begin to radiate that love out into our world. Seeing it flowing freely from us as a blessing for those other people here in this room with us, those people watching on live stream, our spiritual family in the Zoom room. We sit in this moment as powerful, radiating beings of love, shining that love into our world. And so we pause and do that as we rest in the stillness, as we rest in the quiet, as we rest in the silence. Ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this place, to this time. As we do, We carry the knowledge with us that this love that has been radiated out into this space carries on. That in this and all moments, we can tap into this great reservoir of love within ourselves. This divine love, this love of spirit. And so we leave this time of prayer, of meditation, with the commitment on our hearts to be love. Knowing that that is the truth of what we are. And it is for that great love of spirit that we are grateful in this moment. And so it is.